About a 40-minute hike from the Cherahela Skyway is Huckleberry Knob. Here from the top of the highest point in Graham County, look over into Hooper Ball area, coming around. Mike can see the Skyway Road here, looking into Tennessee. Road's way off in the distance here. Coming around on our 360-degree view, moving into the area of Newfound Gap, way off in the distance here. Pretty sky, a little hazy today. Come around and in the mountains of North Carolina proper. Wonderful set of pines here in this view. And coming around, you can see Oak Knob, which we had to hike through to get here, and back to Hooper Ball view.